Hello, Shopify users. If you're watching this video, then I have something wonderful to tell you. If you use Shopify and you really want a really fantastic and amazing product management system, well, I got one and it's called Toriut. And I'm going to walk you through it today and show you some of the wonderful benefits that it has. So don't go anywhere. Click in the link in the description and go and try it for yourself as well. So, as I was saying, Toriut is a product information management system that is designed specifically with Shopify users in mind. And where Toriut really shines is the filtering features. So, and we're going to go through that as well. And here, just to kind of show you through what's going on. So, you can connect the store, you can import your products and your import products from stores, manage all the products into the PIM, sync the product data with all of the stores, and it's very, very easy to get doing. So, advanced media management, the DAM for your Shopify, it's all right here as well. The filter for the panel for the better searches, bulk media matching, and even quick variant updates for you as well. A lot of people have used it, and there's some wonderful reviews on it as well. And I'm going to walk you through it. And just let me go ahead and get logged in, and we're going to take a look at it. All right, so now I'm logged in. You can take a look at it right now. Now, if you need to filter some media files as well, you can set up filters to find the items that are actually based on descriptions that start with certain words or local assets as well that are linked or not linked to particular products. And so the DAM, right? So what we're talking about now, you can organize assets into collections as well. Now you can see like my first collection, we pull this up. There are no files in this collection, but you can add files, just sort of drag and drop, and then it's good to go, right? Like here's some videos, for example, for mine, but you can just drag and drop those, or you can actually import those from the cloud storages as well. And this way you're going to be able to keep them by well, variety of file types. You can actually make sure you have those a little bit easier to kind of get a hold of, right? So the media library lets you add custom fields, keywords as well. And here's the product media import. You can do this. You can even generate a thumbnail for you right here. And you can even search by image details like XMP, EXIF, and IPTC data, which is ideal for teams that are managing tons and tons of media files. So it gives you the freedom to store that variety of file types, like I said. So that way you can keep everything in your products all in one little place. All right, now you have the media library, which you're taking a look at right now, and this is like the collections. You can say updated, and you can say on, after, set, created at, created by, and you can filter all of this in, right? So now this is the import. Now my description, you can add to selected assets, bulk media matches as well if you need to do so. Your trashed assets, so you can pull this up and even some of the products, the summer sneakers, for example. Here's the products that I have there. Now, what about team collaboration? You heard me talking about this just a second ago. Now, Toriut actually makes managing teammates pretty easy as well with flexible access controls that are based on each person's role. So if you've got someone handling product visuals as well, and you can actually give them access to just the media library that they need. Now, if someone else is, they need access to full access for the entire catalog, or they could actually have just access to specific assets as well. So with Toriut, you can do so as with the same right here. So even when you see here like the summer sneakers. We have this pulled up with the media. You can check out, you can write the description, the product organization, the options that are available. So you can just click add options, the option name, and the value, the pricing, the inventory, shipping, the meta fields, and even the search engine listings as well are all right here. So you can actually get very much in. Now, what about variants, right? So you can create a variant for that as well. That's going to kind of come from your options, right? And you can say active, is it a draft or archive for later on? Water sneakers as well. This is another product, but you can kind of see where we're going to find all of our products. And even if we want to create a product, right here, just create a product. And I'm just going to leave this one at create a new product. And then it's right here. And then recreate it, rename it. We give it the description, we give everything else, charge tax on this product, so you can see where it's coming in at, right? And keywords, so we can set up keywords. You can even import a keyword list. I don't know if you use ChatGPT or anything else for some of the other researches that you do. You can add this here. And here you can see searches, right? Assigned to me, office documents, right? With GPS coordinates, text documents. All of this you're going to be able to find right out of the gate. Very, very easy. And of course, if you click up the gear, you're going to be able to see your storage, your teammates, for example. You're going to be able to see all of them. So default restricted access reason message, right? So here's your teammates where you're going to find them, and you're going to be able to add those and get your permission set for each one of those persons. Or this is going to be roles, for example, right? So the catalog admin, the media admin, the viewer, right? So you can create a new role if you need, right? And you're going to be able to see invite, remove teammates. You're going to be able to do all of this right here, which we were just talking about. AI, you can actually enable controlled vocabulary or not, or you can import a keyword list. You're going to find all of that in settings. So like I said, jump to the description below and go ahead and start working on Toriut and excel your Shopify store. Make your product management easier.